Very rare, unusual philodendron with metallic looking foliage, and another aroid plant with climbing habit with trellis supports. And this philodendron is so easy to propagate. Very rare, unusual silver sword philodendron easily propagated by stem cuttings. Very simple. Take the stem cutting with a section, at least one or two internodes. Then place that stem cutting in a soil or in a water. In water, it takes very fast rooting rather than the soil. It takes couple of months for the rooting. Now, after few days, the stem cuttings started rooting, and this is an update. And the repotting is very important. While repotting in the soil, mulching is so important to keep the soil moist, and cocoa fiber always retains the water for longer duration along with the pebbles, which keeps the soil moist. As a result, you can find lushy, climbing, silver sword, philodendron very soon. It prefers warm and humid environment as it is a tropical plant. Watering regularly and keeping the soil moist is so important for better growth. It is very rare, unusual philodendron with the metallic looking foliage and within climbing habit. Trellis support is so important. Without trellis, the branch may doesn't have clear shape. So try to give a trellis support so that it can hold the support and climb better, looks better. It grows better in a bright, indirect sunlight in a humid condition rather than sunny. And under sunny, the foliage may dries very soon as it is completely indoor plant. Sometimes we may find curling of the leaves, and this is because of underwatering or overwatering. So both are so danger, it leads to curling. It is best air purifying plant.